Hi guys, if you happen to be just browsing and you hear this lovely voice of mine, I'm Fergie. Please like and subscribe. And to all my subscribers, welcome back. So today I just finished peeling a pineapple. So I'm going to use the skin of the pineapple. As you can see here, this is the skin. And I'm going to use it to make pineapple juice. This is a way that we do it in Jamaica, and I guess other parts of the Caribbean. So here's my ginger. I'm gonna beat this ginger, bam, 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 bam. And here's my pot of water. So I'm just gonna put my pineapple skin in the water. So guys, I'm gonna give this ginger a good hammering. See? Beat the heck out of it. So now I'm just gonna put it in the water. I'm gonna bring this to a boil and let it sit and draw for overnight. But first I'm gonna add a little bit something more to it. So guys, after putting my pineapple skin and ginger in the pot on the stove, I'm just gonna add some kefir. You can see kefir, lime leaves, some ground clove. Okay, kefir leaf. So 4 kefir lime leaf and a pinch of ground clove with my ginger and pineapple skin. And this is an overnight process, guys. I'm gonna bring it to a boil and then let it sit and draw overnight. All right, so there you have it. So guys, now I'm going to show you that I bring this to a boil. Alright, I'm going to turn the stove off and let it sit for overnight. Alright, okay guys, this is the pineapple skin that I put to boil and draw overnight. And I had a small watermelon that I had peeled 2 days ago. I'm going to use the skin of the watermelon with the ginger and use it to make a melon pineapple ginger juice. So first I'm going to, I like blending the gingers first because then it helps to, when you put the skins in afterward, when you're making any juice and you put the ginger in first, you get the full effect of the ginger. You get everything out with whatever you put afterwards. I'm putting also 1 whole lemon in it. So guys, you see, the skin of the watermelon is full with great health benefits. So the next time you peel a watermelon, wash the skin and store it until you're ready. These skin that I had boiled to make the juice, now I'm gonna juice the skin themselves because they're loaded with health benefits. And a lot of people, they really don't know how much health benefits are in the skin of the pineapple. So, good for your digestive system, inflammatory, great health benefits in the skin of the pineapple, y'all. So the next time you peel a pineapple, you can even juice the skin straight up, just like that. So get all your health benefits out of your fruits whenever you use them. If you're not sure, you can do your researches, all right? Look at all that juice from the skin. and how rich it is. This is from the boiled pineapple and ginger skin, and this is from the watermelon skin and the pineapple skin. All right, so now I'm going to combine these both. First I want to strain this, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix it with some sugar. After I'm finished, half of this I'm gonna save to use just as a tea. Just warm it and drink it just like that with no sugar. All right. Here's the juice. See how rich it looks? So now I'm gonna have like 4 big spoons of sugar. And then I taste to see. And I'm also gonna add half of this pineapple skin juice. And save the other half for my tea. Taste. And I'm gonna add 2 more spoons of sugar. Guys, sweeten to your taste. And another thing I'm going to add, it needs some more lemon juice. I'm just gonna add some lemon juice to it. I just put like 2 spoons of lemon juice. So guys, here is your watermelon skin and pineapple skin ginger juice. Very healthy and loaded with health benefit, guys. I hope you guys enjoy, and it's also delicious. Just sweeten according to your taste. Mine's is a little gingery, soury. It's just delicious, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Fergie loves you. Bye-bye.